Artistic creativity is the ability to generate original ideas and express them through various forms of art, such as painting, sculpture, music, writing, and more. It's a fundamental aspect of human nature, allowing us to communicate emotions, thoughts, and experiences in unique and meaningful ways. Artistic creativity involves both imagination and technical skill. While imagination allows artists to envision new ideas, technical skills enable them to bring those ideas to life. These skills can be developed through practice, learning, and experimentation. One fun fact about artistic creativity is that it's not limited to the arts. Many scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs also rely on creative thinking to solve problems and innovate. Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Creativity is often sparked by inspiration, which can come from various sources. Nature, personal experiences, other artworks, and even dreams can inspire artists. For instance, the famous painter Salvador Dali was heavily influenced by his dreams and subconscious mind, which he depicted in his surrealistic paintings. The process of creating art is highly individual and can vary widely from one artist to another. Some artists meticulously plan their work, while others prefer to let their intuition guide them. The creative process often involves experimentation, trial and error, and moments of insight. Did you know that creating art can have numerous mental health benefits? Engaging in artistic activities can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. It provides a way for people to express their emotions and process their experiences. Another interesting fact is that art can also foster social connections. Art communities and collaborative projects bring people together, promoting a sense of belonging and shared purpose. Public art installations and community murals, for example, can transform urban spaces and encourage community engagement. Artistic creativity is not confined to any age group. Children naturally express themselves through art, and many educational systems emphasize the importance of arts in early development. Encouraging creativity in children helps them develop problem-solving skills, empathy, and resilience. In the digital age, artistic creativity has expanded into new realms. Digital art, animation, and virtual reality are just a few examples of how technology is providing new tools and platforms for artists to explore. Social media has also become a powerful medium for artists to share their work and connect with a global audience. One fascinating tidbit is the concept of flow, a state of intense focus and immersion in an activity. Artists often experience flow when they are deeply engaged in their creative work. This state is associated with high levels of satisfaction and productivity. Artistic creativity is not just about creating something new. It's also about seeing the world from different perspectives. Art challenges us to question norms, explore new ideas, and expand our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Historically, artistic creativity has driven cultural and societal progress. The Renaissance, a period of great artistic and intellectual activity, brought about profound changes in art, science, and thought. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo produced works that continue to inspire and influence us today. Did you know that some of the most famous artworks were created under challenging circumstances? For example, Vincent van Gogh produced many of his masterpieces while struggling with mental health issues. His ability to channel his emotions into his art is a testament to the power of creativity. Artistic creativity also plays a crucial role in preserving cultural heritage. Traditional art forms, passed down through generations, help maintain cultural identities and teach us about our ancestors' lives and values. Indigenous art, for example, provides insight into the history, beliefs, and practices of Native communities. In modern education, fostering artistic creativity is seen as essential for holistic development. Schools that integrate arts into their curriculum report improved student engagement, higher academic achievement, and better social skills. Creative activities encourage students to think critically and approach problems from multiple angles. For those looking to cultivate their artistic creativity, here are a few tips. Make time for regular practice, seek out new experiences, and don't be afraid to take risks. Experiment with different mediums and techniques, and allow yourself to make mistakes and learn from them. Creativity is a journey, and each step contributes to your growth as an artist. In conclusion, Artistic creativity is a vital and enriching aspect of human life. It allows us to express ourselves, connect with others, and explore the depths of our imagination. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting, embracing your creative potential can lead to a fulfilling and inspiring journey. Art is not only a reflection of our world, but also a means to shape it, offering endless possibilities for discovery and expression.